So you can imagine muka Hasan, right? We can imagine lah when we read. Macam mana muka Hasan has to surrender to his fate because nak pegang kait tu. So Amir lari, pengecut dah, lari. Memang bila saya baca tu saya nak marah sangat kat Amir. Dah lah dia read in the first person, he describe the book. Okay, jahatnya dia ni, pengecut ya. So he ran on the way home, and then he fikir balik, no, maybe I should wait for Hasan. So he decided to wait. Dia tunggu dekat another place. Dia berjalan balik, he waited. And dia nampak Hasan berjalan. Dia nampak belakang seluar Hasan stain. Dia nampak. You think he opened his mouth and asked Hasan what happened? No, he didn't ask anything. He didn't ask. Do you think Hasan tell him? No. You pandai buat cerita. Hasan didn't say anything. Ya? Macam just a couple of words, kacau saja. Itu aja. There, your kind. Ya? Such is dia punya bonding tu macam tu. So, dua-dua balik rumah. Amir very upset. Upset with himself for not coming up, standing up to his friend. Hasan pun upset, yalah kena rape kan, kena sodomize. So Hasan pun asyik tidur aja, depressed. You know, parents pun tengok aku budak 2 hari tak baik kan, macam-macam gaduh aja kan. So Amir pun very upset with himself, ya, sedih sangat, nak marah juga dengan diri dia. And then what happened was ada birthday lah, ya, ada birthday. Because dia orang kaya, bapa ni kaya, buat birthday, orang datang lah birthday dia. Of course, kalau dia buat birthday party, Hasan punya kerja is to angkat makanan kan, serve kan, because dia son of the servant. Okay, guess who come to the birthday? Asif pergi birthday. Dia bayangkan ya, because Asif keluarga dia orang ternama, sama ternama dengan baba. Asif datang lah birthday. And then Amir kata apa? I saw Hasan serving drinks to Asif. You bayangkan punyalah terhina you kena sodomize, you angkat drink kat orang tu. Very halus lah, cerita ni dia main perasaan I tell you. So Amir just simpanlah that perasaan. Of course he felt very disgusted with himself also, because he just see the whole thing. And then of course bila birthday dia dapat hadiah. Betul tak? Dia dapat hadiah banyak. One of the hadiah is jam, ya. Adalah someone bagi jam. Saya pun lupa who give the jam, ya. Okay. Then what happened? Amir cakap dengan bapak dia, my watch is missing. My watch is missing. Ya. So bapak dia mesti tanya, siapa lagi nak tanya? Ali dengan Hasan lah, siapa lagi? Who took Amir's watch? Bapak tanya. You know what Hasan said? I took his watch. You know what he said? If he didn't take, that means Amir is lying. You bayangkan macam mana loyalty sampai gitu. Heran So Amir pun cakap dengan bapak dia, let's change servant. Tukarlah servant, ambil orang lain lah. Bapa menangis. No, they stay with us. They are like your brother semua. Lepas tu Hasan dengan Ali kata, no, we cannot stay anymore. Under this condition, we just cannot stay. So the two of them left. Sedih lah suasana dia left tu macam cerita Hindustan. Sedih. Amir pun sedih because he is the one who design all this thing. Dia pun sedih, tapi because why dia nak lupakan kesalahan dia. That's why he cannot see this too. Even before that, before the situasi jam kena curi, jam hilang tu, there was an incident whereby dia nak berbaik semula. Ya, dia nak berbaik dengan Hasan. Dia ajak pergi ladang buah delima. Buah delima kan merah. So Amir pegang buah delima, baling dekat Hasan sampai merah. Macam berdarah kan buah delima. So he told Hasan, okay, hit me. Dia kata kat Hasan. Hasan kata, I won't hit you, Amir Jan. Kalau dipanggil Jan tu macam manja kan. I won't hit you, hit me. Dia suruh, because dia macam nak marah kat diri dia. Dia nak suruh Hasan tu punish dia. I won't hit you, Amir Jan. Lepas tu hit me, dia suruh juga. Lama-lama Hasan ambil buah delima, hit himself. Pukul kepala dia sendiri sampai merah. You satisfied? Dia kata dekat Amir, you satisfied or not? So lagilah Amir geram at himself. Okay, so that episode Hasan dengan Ali pindah, ya, pindah no longer there. Okay, then what happened kemudian? Terjadi macam some kind of kekecohan lah, ya. King Zahir Shah semua kena overthrow. Banyak situasi politik lah dekat belakang tu. Maka the family of Baba dengan Amir left for the US. Left for the US lah, meninggalkan negara Kabul. Sebab Kabul unstable dah masa tu ya. Banyaklah background dekat history tu saya tak ambil perhatian sangatlah. Satu very bad with detail, satu lagi taking so much time nak jot down what happened to Afghanistan in those days. Ke benda ni fiction. Terfikir juga, masuk kejap Wikipedia. Try to see what happened to Afghanistan in the year 1973, 74, 75. But I say for the purpose of bicara buku, we throw that in the background ya. So Baba dengan Amir left for the US. Of course kehidupan di US tu panjang cerita dia. They had to go to garage sale ya. Dia pergi dekat garage sale, dia beli apa yang orang jual, kemudian dia pergi kat flea market, dia jual balik. That's how he make his living. And of course Amir go to college, study medicine apa semua ya. And then jumpa someone lah, get married, and then father dia died of cancer. Baba meninggal, tinggallah Amir seorang dekat US with his wife ya. Amir married. Okay, kemudian one day Amir in June 2005 dapat berita that Rahim Khan, the family friend, sakit dekat Pakistan. Rahim Khan kata, please come, I am sick, I want to die already. So Amir pun fikir, tak apalah, pergilah Pakistan. Dia pun dah jadi orang senang. Dia pergi Pakistan untuk berjumpa dengan Rahim Khan, kawan baik bapak dia. Dia tertunggu-tunggu Rahim Khan nak sebut what happened to Hasan. Tapi dia punyalah proud, dia tak nak tanya. But Rahim pun cerita. Rupanya Rahim kata Hasan ni ada lagi. Hasan ni dah kahwin, Hasan ni dah ada anak. Kemudian Rahim bercerita lagi. Rahim ni, dia pergi cari Hasan. Ni flashback cerita Rahim dengan Hasan. Ya, in the days that kawan ni dekat US, Rahim pergi cari Hasan, berjumpa dengan Hasan, berjumpa dengan wife Hasan, berjumpa dengan anak mereka nama Sohrab. Sohrab ni anak kepada Hasan, ya, anak pada Hasan. Okey, kemudian Rahim pujuk Hasan, why don't we go back to Kabul, duduk balik rumah yang ditinggalkan oleh Amir dengan Baba. Masa tu situasi dah stable lah at that time, ajak balik. So Hasan fikir dengan wife dia, okeylah kita baliklah ke Kabul. Jadi mereka pun balik ke Kabul. Dia cuci semua rumah. Dia orang mentality server semua, cuci, bersih semua. Tapi dia tak duduk rumah tu. So Rahim Khan kata, come lah, stay in this house, banyak bilik. Take one of the guest room. Dia kata, no, wait for Amir Jan to come back. Tak nak duduk balik rumah server belakang tu. Ya. Kemudian bergolak lagi Afghanistan. Bergolak. One day, the Taliban, dia sebut Taliban lah. Aku tak tahu Taliban ni jahat lah, but I just tell the story lah ya. The Taliban came and say, whose house is this? So Hasan cerita yang sebenar lah. This house belong to Baba dengan Amir. They left for the States. I take care of the house. No, I don't believe you. Come. So dia orang pergi dekat main road. Kneel down. Dia kneel down. Hasan was shot. Wife dia pun histeria. Pergi mendapatkan Hasan yang kena tembak. Wife dia kena shot. So Amir Khan tertanya, what happened to Sohrab? Anak mereka, what happened? And then katanya Rahim, anak dia berada di satu orphanage di Kabul. Rumah anak yatim di Kabul. You must go and get him. Rahim Khan cakap dekat Amir, you must go and get him. Maka Amir pun berfikir, I got a wife. Okay, actually Amir bukan doktor, saya lupa. In real life Amir is a doctor. Tapi dalam cerita ni Amir penulis. Saya dah tersazu. Amir kata, well, my second novel is coming out. You know, I'm doing well. I got a house with a Victorian punya atap cantik. Why should I go to Kabul yang bergolak just to take an orphan? You must. So dia pun fikir. Cuba teka apa dia buat. Adakah dia pergi mendapatkan Sohrab? Dia pergi mendapatkan Sohrab. Oh, much to my relief. Okay, dia pergilah cari orphanage. Berjumpalah satu orphanage ya. Of course, liku-liku nak pergi ke Kabul tu panjang cerita lah ya. Berjumpa orang macam-macam jenis. He went to Kabul, pergi satu orphanage, tengok children berkeliaran apa semua. Dia pun jumpalah macam general manager lah of the orphanage, director. Where is Sohrab?